Hello viewers. I'm here with my brother Wally, and we are the co-founders of PNG Growth Talk on YouTube. So I'll be discussing about our channel, how our channel is growing.
Definitely.
It's a new channel that we'd like to discuss more about social issues in Papua New Guinea, as well as how to grow your YouTube and all this. So yeah, that's basically something from us here.
What's the channel name again?
Channel name is
PNG Growth Talk.
Yeah,
PNG Growth Talk. Yeah. So we will be doing public, can be indoor podcast and outdoor podcast also, and we will be talking about some of the issues, like ongoing issues.
Ongoing issues, any issues
that are going on in Papua New Guinea, and also how to give advices to young generation that are coming up. Yeah.
Empower youth in terms of mindset. Try to build your mindset to a level where
That's right.
we don't try to engage in certain activities that are not right. It's sort of a awareness channel
Definitely.
that we are doing. So I'm not good plus something in okay.
Yeah. And that's right, because like right now you can see that there's so many opportunities.
Yes.
In terms of technology, that just AI is here. And
Artificial intelligence.
yeah, so yeah, that's right. We will be talking about some AI tips also.
Artificial
Our
intelligence.
brother is here also. So I think stay tuned for more videos coming, and I'm so grateful that my brother Midas have decided to come up with this idea, and then we have created this channel, and
Yes.
I think we will start uploading more videos, more content.
So we hope as time goes by, we hope that you guys can love our content that we are putting out, and we encourage youth especially to join our content on our YouTube channels especially, and then we'll be discussing all these issues, and it's quite challenging, but it's a huge opportunity also for those who really want to learn.
Yes.
For someone like Wally, he's been in the channel for some time, and he's experienced the benefits of
Growing.
having a YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. Yeah.
So it's everything has to start from hard work. You talk,
Yeah.
everything has to start from hard work.
It's a consistency
Yeah.
through PUBG, right?
So like experience, look, I'm stuck. I'm going an experience. I'm stuck. The experience I'm gaining so far now. The income,
Yeah.
income to I'm good. You look also I'm good last time.
I think we will talk about more in that.
Yeah.
It's like our Kisimon young generation coming here, content creating, especially
YouTube.
start with YouTube and then creating their original content.
Yes.
That's right, yeah. And then earning from their contents also.
So by looking at plenty of good content creators stuff, but the intention way where me creating content and different of how white man creating content local.
Definitely true.
So you meet kind of me creating content, planting defamatory kind of political issues or too many things.
Reuse content again.
Reuse content.
Definitely.
So people encouraging people through the channel can join me and learning one time. So
The PNG Growth Talk.
PNG Growth Talk.
The PNG Growth Talk channel is all about that. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on more content coming in.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you, my brother. What's the last update?
Join our link.
Definitely click on the subscribe button.
And we'll be doing more videos to upload soon.
Powerful.
Bamba future what I'm inside almost city so no what you
Definitely.
next month must inside a video
Definitely. We will be going out in public, guys.
Yes.
We will do a suicide mission here.
Yes.
This is what do I say? No, come on, get yeah. You can see.
Nice one.
Alright, we can help.